Alright you guys, so I'm going to start packing up all of my clothes. I have everything set out here. I think all of this is all of the clothes that I'm bringing, and then I have just 2 bins of just other stuff I don't really feel like hanging up like this that I'm also bringing. But I have all felt hangers as I have here lined up so nicely. So I'm going to go through all of this stuff, and then I have more hangers down there, and just make sure that all of these all have felt hangers. So then we're just going to pack them and put like trash bags over them instead of like folding everything up and then having to take it out, put it on a hanger, blah blah blah. They'll just already be in a hanger, take them out, put them up, it'll be good to go. And they're already in like color coordinated order as well, which is nice. So cue the montage of me putting hangers on all these.
There's some things about you I know I don't like, but I can't stand not having you right by my side. I would trade eternity for just a night. You might be crazy, but at least I know you're mine. Just say that you feel the same. I'll show you what I really mean. Yeah. 'Cause even when you're afraid, I could be your remedy. Only a fool turn down your kiss. 'Cause girl, you got magic.
Hello everyone, pardon the current appearance. I just got out of the shower. Everything is now moved into the car. Like everything's pretty much already packed up, which is really nice. So just a couple of things I need to grab in the morning, my backpack, my camera bag, like stuff like that I'll put in there in the morning. But other than that, we're good to go, and surprisingly not packed in there, which I thought it was going to be, but it's not. But I did just receive a package from Sephora, and so I thought I would unbox it. Also, why do packages that come in the mail, they're so incredibly dusty all of a sudden? I don't know why. Okay, first things first, I have this. I have no idea how to say this. It's from Dr. Jar. It's the Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. It's like Kickapar Derma Green Solution. I have a baby one. I was about to show it to you, but it's all packed up. But I just got the big size of this because I actually really like this stuff. I think it works incredibly well. So it's just that. If you guys are curious about it, I like to just wear this instead of like foundation or anything like that, because it just does such a great way, or such a great job of color correcting my face, and then it like colorizes to kind of like the skin tone color. It's not like green like when you first put it on, and then it also has SPF 30 in it as well, which is super nice. Okay, next item is actually an eyelash curler. I forgot all of this stuff is coming, and I already packed my other stuff. I'm about to have to take it out of there. This is an eyelash curler. I've seen a lot of really good reviews about this eyelash curler from Shiseido, and so I kind of want to try it out. I actually really like this one. That's amazing. Wow, I need to pack that for sure. I need to like take all my makeup back out that I packed because I forgot that it was coming in the mail. We have a couple of samples. Okay, next thing I got the Sephora Favorites Hello, and it was like a bunch of products for $10, like mini sizes of products. Does this not have an opening? Oh, it opens like this. Okay, so let's go through all of. Wow, wait, oh, there's 15% off of the trial sizes, but it's all of them. I thought you could only get one 15% off, but you can get 15% off for literally all of the products. That's amazing. Okay, so the first one is Valentino Donna, Born in Roma. Actually, that smells like candy. Wait, I kind of like this. I'll have to pack this as well. I don't really have that much perfume. That smells delightful. Okay, what's next? It also came with a baby Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. Guys, how cute is this little guy? How stinking cute. I'm obsessed. Next thing is the Smashbox Vitamin Glow Primer. It has vitamins B, C, and E. I'm almost out of my other Smashbox primer, so I thought I would try that one out. I mostly got it for this product. This is the Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen with SPF 40, and I thought this is a 15% off. Like if I like this, I'll definitely get a bigger size. I wonder when these expire. Oh, this doesn't expire until July 31st of 2021, so I literally have a year to use that. That's really nice. Okay, so I'm excited about this. I've just heard so many good things about it, so wanted to try it out. Next product, I love Pharmacy. This is the Pharmacy Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer. This packaging they have a baby packaging. I don't think any of that's focusing, but you guys get it. You guys get it. There's nothing I love more than mini sizes of things, because then I can really decide if I like it. Like I decided you guys, my lashes are still curled. It's like the best haul ever. I love the Pharmacy brand. I would definitely recommend it. It's just amazing. They have my favorite mask. It's like a moisturizing mask. It's yellow. It's kind of amazing. Okay, and then the last product in here is this Moroccan treatment. It's just the Moroccan oil. I always want to try this stuff. I'm gonna take just, that was kind of more than I needed. Okay, just a, smells good. Just a little smidge, and I'm gonna put it through my hair. Because my hair in the front, as you can see, like these pieces, when they dry, they get very puffy. So let's see if this helps without making my hair oily. I can't put it in my hair right now. So it did help a little bit. Not too bad. We'll see how the rest of it dries. I got 2 minis with my points. The first thing I got is the Luna, this is from Sunday Riley. It's the Luna Retinol Sleeping Night Oil. I actually can't get this open. Hello? I've heard a lot of good things about this, and I love Sunday Riley. So it's just a little baby bottle, although it feels like it's, let's see how, oh no, Homegirl is full, like to the very top. Okay, I like that. Gotten a lot of samples that are kind of suck. And then I got a Beauty Blender cleanser. So you just use this to clean your Beauty Blender. And this is the lavender scent. I'm actually really excited about this as well, because I have a real Beauty Blender now. I love it. There is a difference, and I really like it. Okay, and then I got 2 samples. I'm excited about these as well. They're from the Brazilian, like Sol de Janeiro. Is it the D or just Sol Janeiro? And it is their shampoo and conditioner. I love this stuff. Everything from this brand. I've tried the body wash and it smells so good. It's just a bit expensive though, but I'm excited to try these because I know it's going to smell amazing. And then I also got something from Ilia, and this is the Liquid Light Serum Highlighter, which I'm excited to try as well because I wanted to try out more products from Ilia. I have a mascara that I really love. Okay, you guys, my lashes are still curled. This is unheard of to like not put product on it and they're still curled. Okay, so I'm actually happy with everything I bought. I don't think I've ever gotten something and been literally happy with every item, but I'm so excited about all these things. I'm gonna go put all this stuff away and catch up with you guys if I'm doing something more exciting.
Cause girl, you got me